welcome back to the vlog. So yeah, it's like अभी मेरे 2-3 दिन में मेरे स्कूल्स ओपन हो जाएंगे एंड मुझे नहीं लगता फिर उसके बाद आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड अभी तो इट्स गोइंग टू 9 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. आज आई जस्ट वोक अप एट 8 AM इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज तुम्हें पता है ना स्कूल जब खुल जाएंगे तो फिर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत होने वाली है क्योंकि फिर मुझे 6 बजे उठना पड़ेगा. तो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग कि 2-3 दिन पहले से मैं 8 बजे उठना शुरू कर दूँ. वेल लेट्स सी इफ इट्स लास्ट बिकॉज क्या होता है कभी कभी सोचती हूँ मैं कि 8 बजे उठने का बट स्टिल पहले भी मेरे पास 2-3 दिन और हैं. वैसे मेरे स्कूल तो ओपन हो चुके हैं बट आई एम जस्ट डिसाइडेड. मैंने सोचा है कि मैं जाऊँगी 1 Apple से बिकॉज न्यू मंथ एंड न्यू स्टार्टिंग एट ऑल. सो या और मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा कम से कम थोड़ा बहुत प्रोपोर्शन कंप्लीट हो जाए सिलेबस का एंड तभी मैं स्कूल जाऊँ. वेल लेट्स सी दैट हाउ इट गोज़ एंड आई विल बी ऑल्सो फिल्मिंग माई फर्स्ट डे ऑफ 11th grade. सो उसको देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लेना. एंड सेकेंड वीडियो दैट इज़ माई stationaries supplies for class 11s. Okay, so this is going to be like the next video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So since morning jab se main uthi hu I have not arranged my bed, so I'm just going to arrange all these. I know it's looking so disgusting but yeah, let me just clean it. The first task to keep organized is to clean where you sleep, and I just thought to clean my bed. And now it was time for me to clean my desk because everything was so much messy. Literally clean this one because everything is like it's just looking like how like मैंने कितना ज़माने से साफ़ सफाई नहीं की है. सारी चीज़ें इधर उधर हो गई हैं. So I have to keep it in one column like this one whatever this is called. So yeah, तो उसमें I just need to clean it. So now I have cleaned my desk and now it was time for me to change the bed sheets of my room, like bedsheet of my room's bed. Okay, so as it's not my personal room but yet I just thought that clean it too. So then I ate pomegranate and then I just took shower and got ready and did my skincare. And after that I thought to just watch few videos so that I can just relax a bit because 2-3 दिन बाद तो ये अच्छे दिन ख़त्म होने वाले हैं. Guys, stay hydrated because गर्मी आ गई है वापस. And then लैपटॉप देखते देखते I had my lunch and I was full total. It's 3 PM and now I'm going to start my studies. So first of all I'm going to start with chemistry, and in that I'm going to do topic I think so it was law of conservation of mass, I guess, because I have done all the iso terms like isotopes, isoelectronic, isophores, isosters, isodiphers, everything I have just done. And yeah, let's go. So I am doing the chapter that is basic concepts of chemistry. So this chapter is quite lengthy as expected, and because there are a lot of things like mole concept. So in class 9th, when I was in class 9, the mole concept was deleted. So I have to complete it from the beginner level. And तो यहाँ मुझे उसको करने में थोड़ा सा टाइम लग जाएगा. I hope that I can complete it till 10 April or maybe 5 April. Let's see that if it so. Yeah, for some people it will be very easy, but as I have not studied in my class 9, so I have to start with the very very low level. So then I just came to the terrace and look at the weather. It was really relaxing, and this is how I spend my evening and by this. And then I also drink some chai because I am a chai lover. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Bye bye.